In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change administrator on Windows 11. If you want to switch the administrator on a Windows 11 computer, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through the setup clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into a Windows account that already has administrator access because you'll need those permissions to add and manage another user account. First, open the Settings app on your Windows 11 computer. The quickest way to do that is by pressing the Windows key and the I key on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you directly into Settings, which is where Windows keeps account, system, and user management options. Once Settings opens, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click Accounts. This section contains everything related to users, sign-in options, email accounts, and family or other users. If you're trying to make someone else the administrator, this is the area you need. Next, under the Family section, choose the option to add someone. This allows you to create or bring in another user account on the PC. When prompted, enter the Microsoft account for the person you want to add. After entering the account details, continue through the sign-in process and complete the setup. Take your time here and make sure the account is entered correctly, since Windows will use that account to create the new user profile on the device. After the Microsoft account has been added successfully, sign in to that account one time. This first sign-in is important because it lets Windows finish setting up the profile properly, including account preferences and background configuration. Depending on your system, this may take a moment the first time, so don't worry if it seems a little slow. Once that's done, restart your PC. Restarting helps Windows apply the account changes cleanly and ensures the newly added account is fully recognized by the system. And that's it. By following these steps, you've added the new account and prepared it for use on your Windows 11 computer. If you're following along carefully, this should only take a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.